Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is Fold It Club time. Now, I thought it'd be kind of fun to actually show you the envelope it comes in because, you know, I have a feeling most of you stock your mailboxes to find your club shipments. And you know what? It's because they're so amazingly awesome, aren't they? So this is our release for our September club set, Fold It Club. Ooh, are you excited? I'm very excited. Now, this is a first for the Fold It Club because this time we've done a mini slimline card base, which is really exciting because yes, it still fits on A2 perfectly, but it's also mini slimline. Are you ready? Get set. Oh, and I have a special bonus to talk to you about. Ta-da! It is a mini slimline candy cane Fold It. And the cool thing about this is not only do you get the candy cane, you also get 2 dies of mini candy canes, which are fun, and this great big huge massive bow, which is really fun, and I can't wait to show the samples to you. And this one, I've waited literally a year to put this into the Fold It Club because I was really excited about this one. And I love candy canes in different colors besides red and white, right? You can do candy canes in any color nowadays, especially. Now, with your stencil set, you are getting this awesome 2-piece set of circles and the little candy pieces. So let me show you what that looks like. And then there's also a bonus in here and you don't even know it. You're getting a free stencil this month. Yes, you are. Why? Because I couldn't stop. I just had to do it. So first, you are getting these 2 stencils, cute little peppermint candies that you can use by themselves. Also cute little candy pieces you can use by themselves. Put them together, dun, 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 dun. Make sure the Stamps of Life name is at the bottom facing you so you can read it, so you'll know that it lines up perfectly. And now you have a 2-part stencil that is going to make the cutest little candies you've ever seen. You always get 2 stencils, right, with the Fold It Club. But this month, my club members are getting a freebie full-size stencil, dun, 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 of mini candy canes. Because I loved the peppermint candy. I had so much fun doing that one and designing it and everything. And I was like, but you know what? I'd really love a candy cane one too. And it goes really perfect with this. And I didn't tell Ken, I just ordered it and boom, it's in there. He doesn't even know. So you are getting a freebie stencil this month. I'm so excited about that. I hope you love it as much as I do. Now let's jump in and look at some samples. First up are the cute, adorable stuffies that Michelle made, which I absolutely love. Cute little ornaments for the tree. She uses our wool felt to make these cute little stuffies. Now let's jump into some cards. So here's a cute one. Look at, see, green with patterned paper behind it. Love it. And it says Noel. So cute. Here's one using a shaker card front and on an A2. So remember I said it could also be A2. That's up to you. You just put it a little bit at an angle. Look at how cute that is. And look, it's a shaker. I love those shakers. You know I do. Now here it is on a mini slimline card base. Love it. Look at how gorgeous it is if you just die cut it, boom, and go, right? Here it is. It says it's the most wonderful time of year, and those are the mini candy canes that you're getting in this set also. It's like a bonus extra, right? Everything on here. Look, you can even make it a shaker with just the insides of the candy cane. So cute. Look at that pretty bow with extra holly. Have a sweet Christmas, it says. Love that. Now you can do the fold at the top. You could do the fold at the side. That's up to you. Here is those candy pieces. Look how awesome that looks. Isn't that fun? I love that one. Here's another one. Again, don't stick yourself to red and white, okay? You go crazy. You do any colors you want. Look how cute this one is with the pink and the green. Pink and green always look so cute together. Absolutely love that. Here's a fun one where it's a double. So this would be in a 5x7 envelope, which is so cute. Look how cute that is. And you have your little message over here. And I just absolutely love that. That is so cute with that fun bow. Then, oh, here's another one. This is a milk box carton. I didn't put it together yet, so let's put it together right now. But this is actually using the cute little candies. And this is like for a little Halloween, if you wanted it to be for Halloween. This says trick or treat. Look how cute that is. Use purple or you could use black and orange. Look how adorable that is. Isn't that fun? Okay, and last but not least, because I thought this was awesome, and hello, it's pink, on a 5x7 card base. Look at that. I told you, you don't have to stick to just red and white. I want to see different colors of candy canes because that's so much fun. And look at the cute pink candies in the back. Isn't that adorable? I love it. And there's your candy canes. Look how fun those candy canes are stenciled. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Now, Folded Club members, guess what, my friends? These are already on their way to you. Ken gets up and he gets those in the mail as soon as he can. They're supposed to ship between the 25th and the 1st of the month, but Ken usually tries to get them in the mail extra early. So, yay, that's so exciting. Now, if you're not in the Folded Club, this is our fastest growing club. Let me tell you, when we announced the Folded Club, this is the fastest growing club we have ever witnessed in our history. We've been doing this since 2009. The Folded Club is new, but we've been doing clubs since 2009. This is our fastest growing club. So if you like this and you want to get in on it, go to our website, stampsoflife.com, click join the club and just watch that video. The hardest part's going to be to decide which club you want to join because they're all so yummy and awesome. But make sure you go check out that video. Go see which ones you're interested in. You get a freebie die that is a $26.99 value just for joining this club. Go check it out. I'll see you there, stampsoflife.com. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're gonna love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.